Our business predominantly is just to build and service race engines. We're pretty self-sufficient that everything's done in-house. Yeah, all custom built, and we're always testing. It never stops. So I think if you're passionate about something, you do it, and then you want to learn more, and it just evolved into what we have now. Predominantly our business, yeah, is just looking after race engines and going to the racetrack and keeping an eye on all customers.
Some of the engines they create here at KRE are just unreal.
I think it's something that the Kenny and the crew here should be really proud of.
Over the years you learn to know what components and changes you do to the machining and tuning of the motors to make sure that you evolve the engine and keep it fast and reliable for each season.